when I start teaching creating digital product in ebook and all, the first thing that comes to mind when people hear it's like, but I'm not a good writer. Well, guess what? Now in this AI world, you don't need to be a good writer. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be creative. Those are like outdated information or outdated advice. So, ano ba yung new reality ngayon? Okay, the new reality, because again, of the availability of AI and technology, you don't write anymore, you direct. AI does the research, structuring, drafting, and all you have to do now is you do the thinking, deciding, refining. So, in other words, you're not the labor, but you are the brain. That's what makes AI very helpful for anyone po na nagsisimula sa ganitong negosyo is thinking na, teka lang, hindi na pala ako dapat na gumagawa. Ako na lang ang nagdadirect. Ako na lang yung nagde-decide. Someone else is doing the work for me.